Bro, what is this gonna do?
What?
You have a vacuum line pulling air out of your tire or something, or what?
Yeah, that's how we go fast.
Oh, that's the secret, huh?
Putting some O-rings on this intake manifold that was supposed to come with this shit, and it didn't come with any of it.
Bro, that's what you get, bro. It's eBay. What do you expect?
Yeah, I can't complain getting throttle body, intake manifold, and fuel rails for 340 bucks.
Yeah.
I guess I can't complain.
It's a good deal. I mean, how much are the Holly ones of these ones?
Like 7?
7?
Yeah, like 700 bucks are expensive.
Damn, bro. 50% off coupon.
Dude, the welds actually look really nice on it. Like,
Yeah.
it'd be just as good of a job as I would do.
Bro, don't lie.
If not better, to be honest.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Like, I mean, like whoever builds these probably build these all day, you know? So
Yeah.
they're really good at them.
They're almost to robot point, right?
Yeah.
They're basically robots.
Yeah.
They're probably 12-year-olds too.
Over in
12-year-old robots in China.
Yeah, but yeah, so a lot of the shit didn't show up, and but I'm gonna go ahead. The injectors came yesterday, so I'm gonna go ahead, put the intake manifold on, bolt it on, and I guess we can prime the fuel system today and see if there's any leaks. So we just gotta go here after I put this on, get a fuel can and some E85, and then come back and see what the hell it does. Hopefully there's no leaks. Hopefully first try no leaks, but
Bro, every single time, first time no leaks.
yeah.
It's just you always worry about that one thing.
Yep. Well, I'm just more worried that like maybe there's like a little pinhole in the fuel cell or just something stupid. So
Oh, hopefully not.
yeah.
Knock on wood, bro. Knock on wood. Knock on wood here.
I don't think there's.
Knock on wood.
Oh, yes. I don't think there is, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. Figuring some shit out.
Yeah.
Yep.
What are you doing, sir?
Tightening up these fuel rails. Had to go get
I
some
wasn't talking to you.
spacers from.
I was actually
these.
talking to Lucy in the back.
When you said sir.
Oh, yeah,
She's a-
that's right.
she's a
Well, she
ma'am.
can identify as whatever she wants. So.
It's ma'am. Sick. Yeah, I had to get these spacers for my fuel rails because I don't know what they're spaced for, but they fit all weird. So like if you were to not put the spacers on there, it would pull on the rails all weird and it'd like misalign them on the injector. So I want to make sure they stay nice and straight so that way it doesn't rip any of the O-rings. Because you don't want to rip an O-ring because that's how cars start on fire.
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought it was nitrous.
No.
I know of a Corvette that could prove that wrong.
Oh yeah, that one time his Corvette started on fire?
Yeah.
Well, that was because they tightened the nitrous. They changed out one of the jets, had a throttle body plate. They changed out one of the jets in the throttle body and they tightened the AN line too tight and it broke the aluminum fitting. And so it was just spraying fuel all over the engine bay.
Yeah, that would be crazy.
I mean, he got insurance money from it, so. Yeah, solid as fuck.
There you go.
So fucking magnet fuel, 750.
Bro, that doesn't look like an 8 rotor.
I'm actually pretty happy with how it looks. Like without any turbo stuff in there and it all bolted up, but I think the fuel lines look pretty good.
Yeah, it looks nice, dude.
I mean, this is a little ugly, but.
Just ignore that one.
Still doesn't look that bad, it's all black.
Yeah. You know what part matters?
I like it.
This right here. This is what matters right here. You gonna prime it then, or what?
Well, I gotta put E85 in it.
Oh yeah. Or otherwise you're just gonna prime air or what?
Yeah. Dude, this thing is so low. Remember how jacked up it was when it was on the 28s?
Bro, I'm pretty sure this used to be a monster truck.
It was, dude.
Dude, I wanna see how
Hey, Lucy, you wanna drink some
have
water?
fun.
Hopefully this pours good.
They don't pour good. Just go slow. Tasty. That corn juice.
Is it leaking yet?
I mean, I should probably check. Oh shit. Fuck.
You being serious?
No. You're good.
I got like no confidence in myself.
Bro, I know, you always, that's like the one thing you always say. Oh, is it leaking? Is it leaking? No.
Fuck,
Well?
dude. No leaks? Oh shit, bro.
Yeah, it looks good.
No leaks?
No leaks.
That must mean that these fucking AM lines sealed.
You didn't think that they had?
I didn't think that they would, no. Now we just gotta prime this bitch. We about to do some hood rat shit.
What are you doing?
You'll see.
Just gonna straight wire it?
What we're gonna do is we're just gonna jump the relay. So like, it's already wired up to where the ECU should signal it on.
Uh-huh.
But I don't have.
You don't have?
I don't have the ECU hooked up.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just gonna jump the relay.
Oh snap. Should I check for leaks up here or what?
Yeah.
Oh wait, stop.
Leaking?
Yeah.
Where?
Just by the regulator. There. Looks like it's from here though.
Fucking.
Or is it from here? Sounds like there's air coming out of it. Let me see.
I think it's coming from this right here.
Yeah.
I didn't tighten that.
Okay, well, scratch that. Okay, round 2. That was the only place though.
Well, up here, I didn't look underneath the car. There's some fittings underneath the
Oh,
car.
is there?
Yeah.
Are they leaking?
No, doesn't look like it.
That's good.
Alright, ready?
Yep. You're good. It's good. 60 PSI.
Oh Lord. No leaks on the injectors. No leaks here. No leaks down there.
The bottom, you said no leaks under the car?
Yeah. So far. As you can see, we got the fuel pump all primed up and checked the whole fuel system. No leaks, really happy with it. The only thing that was leaking when we first primed it was the fuel pressure gauge. I just forgot to tighten it. So I went ahead and tightened it all up and it was all good. Really happy. I always second guess myself when I do a bunch of stuff like this, especially fuel stuff, because I mean, like any little pinhole in that nasty aluminum, because I had to clean the anodizing off of it, it doesn't weld the greatest, so I'm always scared that there's gonna be a slight pinhole somewhere in it, but of course there's no leaks. That pump is freaking loud though. I was watching some of the videos on it earlier, and that pump is really loud, but it's not that loud in person, so once the car is on, you're probably not gonna hardly be able to hear it that much. It's just the mic for some reason picks it up a lot. Anyways, I did go ahead and get one of these turbos on, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, just because I wanna break it up into different days. But next video, hopefully get the whole turbo kit on it, get everything else on it, and hopefully get it started. I got quite a bit of stuff to do before that actually happens, but I do have to, for some reason, I don't know what happened to my ECU. There's continuity in between the main power plug on the ECU. So there's a power and a ground that comes all the way from the battery into the ECU, and for some reason it just blows the main fuse on it right away. And when I test the continuity between the two pins on the ECU, it flows right through it. So I'm not sure what happened. I honestly don't know. I came in the other day, went to turn the ECU on, or turn the car on and prime it, and nothing happened. So the ECU is just dead. I hit up Holly, they're gonna check it out. Hopefully it's not something stupid. They're basically trying to tell me that like it only happens when you put like a big battery charger on it or weld on it without disconnecting the battery or something, or you ground out the ECU, which clearly I didn't do, but we'll see what they say. So gonna have to wait for that, shipping that out today, hopefully get it back midweek, and then we'll go ahead and, I imagine by the time the ECU gets back, we will be able to start it. So hope you all are ready for this. I'm really excited to get this thing going. So I also have a pretty cool surprise. If some of you guys follow me on social media, you guys already know what it is, but that'll be for a different video. Thank you guys for watching this, and shout out Carlos, thanks for coming over helping me the other day. And we'll be getting a video of ripping his Integra soon too. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, hopefully RX7 start up.